my solar system went out. And the company that installed it? Gone. They went out of business. My energy bill is climbing. If I can't have working solar, no one can.
Did I just catch you monologuing?
Maybe. No, I'm gonna play it's not important. What do you need?
All right, anyway, well, I got your system up and running. It was just a simple error code. And by the way, Greenbox Solar is doing free system health checks through the month of July and August. So if you know of anybody that has a system that isn't working or might be damaged in any way, let us know and we can help them out.
Yeah, I might know a few people you can help.